Hello, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of this. So first of all, let's start opening it. I wonder what it is. There's a little packing note. It is a door closer. Okay, I'm back. I just got the door holder all put together, and it is on currently. I finished unpacking it. So, since it's on, if we take a screwdriver and put it on, it gets attracted, and it can fully pick up the magnet. Now if we take the door side, which I haven't installed yet, and now we put it on, it snaps on, and you can take it off, but it's really hard, that's good, so it'll hold the door. You can try again. It's very hard to take off. And you can see if we undo the wire. Now you can see there's a little bit of magnetism still there after you undo it. You just have to pull it a little bit to take it off. And you can see where it was kind of rubbing on there a little bit. So yeah, that was a unboxing and review of this FIRELITE Notifier door holder. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later. Bye.